2019 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, compass, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.